Do you know how to make crispy patacones like this? If not, don't worry because I'm going to show you an easy and quick way to do it. We start by peeling the green plantain. If you find this step difficult, I have a tutorial on my channel to help you do it much faster. The plantain should be cut about this thick. Next, we heat up a slightly deep pan and add some oil. Once the oil is super hot, place the slices you cut into the pan and make sure they brown evenly on all sides. This process is very quick, so stay focused please, and make sure not to overcook the plantains. You will see why in just a moment. When the plantains are golden like this, take them out to flatten them. If you don't have a wooden press, you can use a glass bottle or a plate. I mentioned it earlier that they shouldn't be fully cooked because we need to put them back into the hot oil for a few more seconds to finish crisping them up. And that's it. This process is very quick, so don't get distracted or they might burn. Once they are ready, I like to place them on a paper towel to remove any excess oil. And finally, sprinkle a bit of salt on top. In Ecuador, we usually serve these patacones with fresh cheese, a fried egg, and coffee. Some people also pair them with green mayonnaise, but that's optional. Ideally, the egg yolk should be runny because that way the plantain doesn't feel too dry. But anyways, with the cheese it's so good. So that's up to you. And if you like easy cooking tricks like this, subscribe so you can learn to cook from scratch.